So this is Mivi Thunderbolt earphone. Hey guys, welcome to brosmart, and in this video I'm going to review the Mivi Thunderbolt Bluetooth wireless earphone. Is it good or is it bad? Should you buy it or not? Let's get started. To pair the earphone with your smartphone, hold the home button for 5 seconds. Once the LED starts blinking, turn on the Bluetooth on your phone and then hit scan. Once the Mivi Thunderbeats appear, hit connect and it will be paired with your smartphone in less than 2 seconds. It is by far better than wired earphones because wired earphones often get tangled and it is a mess. Generally for me, it took less than 1 hour to configure the right ear tip and wing tips. First, for some days it will be very uncomfortable, but after 2 to 3 days you will like it. The drivers are a bit oversized, which makes it heavy, so without the right pair of wing tip, the earphone may fall from your ear. Control panel. The control panel is fine. There's the volume up and down buttons and the home button for switching it on and off, and also to activate the Google Assistant. It's that simple. Also inside the control hub there is the micro USB charging port that you will find on the side. Yes guys, there is no type C, but honestly I don't have any USB type C device, so I have a normal micro USB charger with which I charge the earphone. I wish the control panel was a bit lower because to change the volume, the earbud most of the time falls. One more button I would like to have is a button to skip a song. Mivi Bluetooth earphone are sweat resistant, not waterproof. It has a rating of IPX4.0. This basically means that if you are on a gym, it will be fine, but if you are underwater, if you are swimming, then the headphones will not be fine. So never use your phone underwater while swimming or under rain. Like for example, if you are hearing pop songs, the music will be very loud instead of the vocals. So I heard couple of Coldplay songs and couple of pop songs, couple of EDM songs. Background music was much louder compared to the vocals. I tested with the Xiaomi Mi earphone, but the vocal quality on the Mi earphone was superior than the Mivi earphone. And it is very surprising because of the price. But anyways, I am talking about a Bluetooth earphone and a wired earphone, so it is justified. The bass is average. The bass of the Mivi earphone is not that good. It is 50%, like okay. It is not the best, but for general people like me, it is okay. So it is not necessary to use the wing tip. As you can see, I am using the earphone. The noise cancellation. If you are on a crowded train, public bus where it is crowded, you cannot hear the background noise. I recommend using this headphone without the wing tip when you are just sitting and listening to music or watching movies, because after 2 to 3 hours, the wing tip can be very painful. I love this earphone because I can watch anything on TV without disturbing my neighbor. Whenever I watch a series on Netflix or play a song on Spotify, I connect this earphone with my TV using the Bluetooth, and that's it. No one can hear what you watch. Now I can watch Game of Thrones on TV. Once you have paired the earphone with your phone, every time you turn on your Bluetooth, the earphone will be auto connected. So it's much easy and user friendly. As you can see right beside the Bluetooth icon of my phone, there is the earphone's battery indicator icon. This is very important. It's very easy to check the battery percentage of the earphone along with your phone's battery. Bluetooth range. Coming to the Bluetooth range, the range is perfect for people living in 2 BHK house. The average range is about 40 feet to 12 meters. I kept my phone in my room, went to the other room beside it, and the signal strength was great. The top also has a magnet. The two earpieces will cling to each other when not used. It is super useful, trust me. Maximum volume. One of the coolest thing I like about this earphone is that whenever your phone's media volume is maximum, you can still increase the volume. Although I don't recommend it because the volume is powerful enough before that. So if you increase it more, then you will be deaf. Like seriously, it was very loud. Charging. I am using the 18 watt Oppo's VOOC 3.0 charger that I got with my Realme 3 Pro, and man, the charging speed is mind blowing. The battery life is really good on this device. It will easily last for 6 to 9 hours in 60% volume. Personally, the maximum volume is really high, so I don't use it. I keep the music volume at 60%, and honestly it was mind blowing. Here are some screenshots. I have really used this non-stop in minimum volume and I was blown away by the battery life. The battery used in this earphone is really good and it is capable of running this earphone for like at least 6 hours. Call quality. I have used it thoroughly and the voice was loud and clear. The caller was also able to hear my voice clearly. I can say you must carry your phone with you if you are in a call because the range may decrease while in a call. I had some minor problems during a call, but it isn't a major issue. It also has a useful feature, which is tap twice on the middle button to call the last person you spoke through the Mivi earphone. Now while shooting this video, I realized you cannot pair a new device while the earphone is connected to an active device. So when you are listening to music on your phone, no one can connect to your phone with Bluetooth. It is absolutely safe and secure. One advice from me will be whenever you are not using the earphone, please shut it down by pressing the power key in the middle so no one can connect to it. There is also a feature inbuilt in the earphone that it auto shuts off. If the earphone remains inactive for hours, then it will shut off automatically. This is a very useful feature that I really like. Verdict. So should you buy this earphone or not? If you want to watch YouTube videos, listen to music just to pass time, then it's a great deal, go for it. Now if you are serious about what you are listening to, if you want to feel the bass, want to listen to vocals clearly, then it's not for you. So I hope this video helped you. If yes, then smash the like button and also subscribe to brosmart for more interesting videos just like this one. So thanks for watching. This is brosmart and I will see you guys in my next video.